Hello and welcome to another update video. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at another tech stock, and it's one that we've never presented on this channel, and we are going to take a look at Electronic Arts. So let's not waste any time. Let's go. On our website, dailymarketupdate.com, we are here on our, let's say, main dashboard. Here we can select the tech stocks section. You can also, if you register here for free, you can access our stocks analysis, crypto analysis, S&P 500 updates. But today we take a look at our tech stocks section. We click on it and select Electronic Arts. You see we updated it together with some other stocks like Google. Scroll down, you see Salesforce, Coinbase was updated. Also very interesting. I know a lot of crypto enthusiasts are on this channel, but today let's take a look at something new. Let's click on the weekly chart for EA. Yeah, if you're a gamer, then you know about EA, of course. Electronic Arts are very famous for their, FIFA games, for example, other sports games on various gaming consoles. But yeah, they do all sorts of things. So it's just one part of what they do, one element of what they do. Very, very bullish chart overall. Yeah, I mean, interesting development here on the weekly chart. I mean, it's really the long-term chart, so it will take a long time for this to play out. Our perspective is that EA has just started a fifth wave to the upside in a larger wave one. You see that this wave one, I mean, it started here, you can see it on this chart, before 2012. So it's a more than a decade long impulse that formed here in blue wave one, with a target zone between $259. Well, let's say we started $259. That's sort of the minimum expectation. $295 would also be a realistic target. I mean, higher is possible, but let's see if we can get to $259 first. That's sort of the first target. $295, nice to have. Anything higher, even better. Yeah, we are now at $149, so there's a long way to go still. But the advantage here of elite waves, it's very clear. It gives you a very, very clear invalidation point of this roadmap. You see that we had a wave one, a wave two, bottomed here in 2012, and then a strong third wave rally, which topped in 2018. And this here is a triangle pattern. That's how we see it. As an Elliott wave triangle, it's actually looking quite nice. And the end of the triangle is the E wave. That's the end of a wave four. Wave fours can be very messy. They're often sideways corrections, very difficult structures to track. But we might have indeed bottomed here in wave four, that was last year, and have now started wave five to the upside. And the $108 level here, $108.62, that's the clear invalidation point. If wave five has started, we should not break below that level anymore. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. Here we can see everything in a little bit more detail. Our perspective is that the market formed a 1-2 setup already in that larger fifth wave. We could now be in a third wave of that fifth wave that should still send us higher. Short-term invalidation point is the beginning of the third wave, magenta wave 3, and that's located at $121.86. Here you can also see the end of the E wave of the triangle, still at $108.62. So that means if we break below $121.86, that is still a level that is relevant, because we might just make another attempt of rallying in wave 3 or 5. Here, very interesting to see that the wave 2 unfolded as a running flat correction. We had the wave 1 to the upside, and then here an overshooting B wave, which is quite bullish, and the C wave down. And in a running flat, the B wave overshoots and the C wave cannot break below the A wave low again. And then here this third wave rally obviously is unfolding now, right? That's the idea, and could send us sort of into the $160, $170 region. Then at some point we should get a fourth wave and that final fifth wave higher, which should then send us to that target zone here, $260 plus. We need to see how exactly the subdivisions develop. That is, history that's not been told. It hasn't unfolded yet. So this is still our daily work to track these wave counts, and if there have to be any adjustments, we'll make them. But overall, it is quite a bullish structure. It will be an important turning point then once this wave 5 is complete, but it might take a couple of years maybe. Timing is always very difficult. We can't really forecast how long something takes, but it might take years, considering how long the third wave took, the fourth wave, and so on. But yeah, that might be a short trade setup up here then, once we get into this target area and see the first rejection. So yeah, that's the update about EA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in more updates, then register on the website. Also, let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency or tech stock you want me to analyze, and don't forget to activate the notification bell as well. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.